Get him. Go ahead. Go ahead. Get him, Zoe. Come on. He's a rat. Come on. Get him. He runs like a horse. Stubby little legs. He's trying to get him. She gets him though. He gets tired though, quick. Hi, Momo. Hi, Zozo. Nugget. I know. Mr. Boy. You get tired. You get tired, I know, sir. I know. You're a big boy. All right, you want to go in and calm down and relax? Go ahead. So this is my 2-year-old Great Dane, and this is my 10-year-old Great Dane. She used to do this too when she was a young girl. Now she's no girl. She just wants to lay down and look pretty, yeah. And talk sass to me. That's what she does. Yeah, and she gets grumpy. Delane, Dad loves you. Relax. And she has 2 beds. So there's 1 bed, and yeah, she is. Yeah, she gets very upset. They don't like each other. This one and this one, they don't like each other. Delane, relax. And she doesn't really care about him because he's Scooby-Doo. He gets scared of his own shadow. But yeah. Just wanted to show you guys. Just got back from GameCon, Mohegan Sun. It was, let me turn to my face. I don't want to see my face. It was, kind of sucked. Like 3 pinball machines, couple arcades, but shitty. You know, Mohegan Sun, you know, it's good. I went with my friend Mark. We ate there, which, you know, the food's always good. And the drinks are good. We didn't gamble. So I lost no money, which is positive. But I did not win any money as well. Yeah. But my first GameCon, well, I lie. My second GameCon, and I went there last year, and it sucked just as well. And I'm gonna go to let me turn. I'm gonna go to a pinball expo in April, and hopefully it'll be better because they'll have like pinballs and stuff. They did have a lot of vendors to buy things. Delane, relax. But you know, I have like everything. So hopefully you're having a good Saturday. Delane is having a good Saturday. Even though she barks like she's not, but she is fibbing. Like, subscribe, comment. So look at him. He's like tired now. Yeah, he runs a little bit and he gets tired. Because he's a big boy. He's like 140 something pounds. Nugget. Like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you're doing.